Nearly 3 years after the murder of a Central Iowa college student, Molly Tibbetts shocked the state and the nation. The man accused of killing her is headed to trial this week. KCCI's Chris Gothner will be covering the trial all week for us. He is in Davenport with a look back on the case and a look ahead to the trial.
We love you, we're looking for you, and we're gonna never stop.
July 18, 2018, 20-year-old Molly Tibbetts was dog-sitting at the home of her boyfriend's brother in her hometown of Brooklyn. The last time boyfriend Dalton Jack heard from Molly was around 10 p.m. The next day, he got the call from her co-workers at a Grinnell daycare saying she didn't show up, setting off an extensive search for the University of Iowa student whom so many in the small Poweshiek County community knew and loved.
Molly is one of the most caring people you'll ever meet.
As investigators scoured the area, efforts to find Molly Tibbetts went nationwide.
Authorities have intensified the search for missing Iowa college student Molly Tibbetts.
The nearly 5-week search ended August 21st in a rural Poweshiek County cornfield with the news no one wanted to hear.
We believe it to be the body of Molly Tibbetts.
That came after they identified a suspect, Christian Bahena Rivera, after seeing his car on a neighbor's surveillance video. They say he led them to her body. Investigators say Rivera admitted to abducting Tibbetts while she was out jogging, blacking out, and then killing her. One fact instantly injected politics into the case.
He is an illegal alien.
Investigators say Rivera was a Mexican farm worker who had lived in the area for a few years. The case quickly drew the attention of then President Trump.
And you saw what happened to that incredible, beautiful young woman. Should have never happened. Illegally in our country.
Tibbetts' family soon condemned attempts to politicize her death. Because of the extensive publicity, a judge first moved the case to Sioux City and then to Davenport, where proceedings in the first-degree murder case begin Monday. Since 2018, the trials faced numerous delays, some from the pandemic. Rivera's attorneys were also able to get some of his statements thrown out because he wasn't read his full Miranda rights. But the judge allowed the information that led to Tibbetts' body and statements post-Miranda. West Des Moines attorney Trevor Hook says the case will be a tough one to defend.
I think it'll come down to the defense, whether they can overcome such strong evidence of a videotape with the vehicle, some information provided by the defendant himself, which led to the crime scene. That's a huge hurdle.
He says prosecutors will likely hit that evidence hard from the start, with the defense trying to plant seeds of doubt.
I believe there's a report from the DCI that had blood and fingerprints that were not the victim and not the defendant in the trunk of that car. That's the start of a doubt. The other thing you hit hard in this case is there was 4 people that were looked at by the police before they arrested the defendant.
Jury selection set to begin Monday, taking 2 days. The trial may well go on for 10 more. We'll bring you daily coverage right here on KCCI. In Davenport, Chris Gothner, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's News.